If you're experiencing verification issues on Kraken after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the situation and successfully complete your verification. Step 1. Review requirements. Check Kraken's verification requirements to ensure you have all necessary documents and information ready. This may include identification, proof of residence, and any additional documents specific to your account type. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect the required documents in the correct format. Make sure they are clear, legible, and meet Kraken's guidelines. Common documents include a government-issued ID and a utility bill or bank statement for proof of address. Step 3. Access your account. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the verification section. This is usually found in your account settings. Ensure that you are attempting to verify the correct account type based on your needs. Step 4. Resubmit verification. Follow the prompts to resubmit your verification documents. Upload the gathered documentation and double-check that everything is complete and accurate before submitting. This helps to prevent further issues. Step 5. Contact support if necessary. If you continue to face verification issues after resubmitting, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with details of your situation and any error messages you received. They can offer specific guidance and assist in resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any verification issues on Kraken. If problems persist, ongoing communication with customer support is key to finding a solution.